me show you how to make a delicious and easy pork tenderloin in your air fryer. This recipe is perfect for busy weeknights because it only takes about 25 minutes to cook. And it's a very versatile dish that goes well with a variety of sides. So let's get started today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. Let's talk about the seasonings or the flavoring of this beautiful tenderloin, which is one of my favorite cuts. You could simply season it with salt and pepper, and that would be alright. But let's level it up and talk about a marinade. The marinade for this recipe is made with a few key ingredients that work together to create a flavorful and juicy pork tenderloin. First, we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which helps to moisten the meat and carry the flavors of the other ingredients. Next, we have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, which adds a hint of sweetness and helps to caramelize the exterior of the pork as it cooks. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which adds a bright and acidic flavor, while 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar adds a tangy depth of flavor. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder for a hint of savory depth. You can most certainly use fresh minced garlic if you have it available. Salt is a crucial ingredient in any marinade. It helps to enhance the other flavors. And we're using 2 teaspoons of that. 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of stone ground mustard to add a subtle spicy kick. Add all of the marinade ingredients to a large bag or a sealable container. Make sure those ingredients are mixed well together, and then add in the pork tenderloin. And then massage the marinade into the meat. It's best if you let this marinate for at least 4 hours to really let those flavors influence that meat. But if you don't have time, you can cook it right away and it'll still be delicious. When it's time to cook the pork, preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 5 minutes. Then remove the pork from the marinade, and you're gonna wanna discard that marinade. Now my pork tenderloin is too big for the air fryer, so I'm going to simply cut it in half. Cut it to the size you need for the air fryer you have. Place the pork in the air fryer and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes total. That will vary because the tenderloin size varies. About 10 minutes in, go ahead and flip that pork over and let it continue to cook until it reaches a safe internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove it from the air fryer and let it rest for a few minutes before you slice it up. This tenderloin dish pairs well with a variety of sides like mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or even a simple salad. Whatever you pair it with, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.